Salamatizdabi. As we welcome 2025, I wish you all peace, health and prosperity. It has been a privilege to serve as the United Nations resident coordinator in Kyrgyzstan for over 2 years already. I am so inspired every day by the beauty of this country and the resilience, creativity and kindness of its people. Kyrgyzstan's towering mountains reflect its high aspirations, and it is such an honor to walk this journey of sustainable growth with you all. In 2024, our partnership reached new heights with the visit of the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres and the naming of a Kyrgyz peak after the United Nations, such a powerful symbol of our collaboration. At the Summit of the Future, President Japarov joined global leaders in reaffirming the commitment to accelerate progress towards the Sustainable Development Goals, ensuring no one is left behind. As we step into the new year, I remain optimistic. Together, we can build a brighter, a more inclusive future for Kyrgyzstan. May the new year bring peace and hope to every home. Can Rahmat.